It's your financial scorecard. Think of it as the ultimate report card for your financial health. I'm thrilled to talk to you about something incredibly important today. We all want financial freedom, right? The kind of freedom that lets you live life on your own terms. But how do you get there if you don't know where you're starting from? It's like trying to navigate without a map. Tracking your net worth is like checking the GPS on your road trip to wealth. It gives you a clear picture of your current location. It tells you if you're on the right path or if you've taken a wrong turn. It's your financial compass. Knowing your numbers is the first step to growing your wealth. It's the foundation upon which you build your financial future. Your net worth is arguably the single most important number in your financial life. It's the sum of all your financial decisions. Sometimes it's even more important than your income. Your income is just a part of the equation. Your income is great, but your net worth shows your actual progress and financial health. It's the true measure of your financial success. It's the bottom line, the real score. It's what really matters at the end of the day. It tells the full story of your financial journey, every decision, every investment, every expense. So today, we're going to dive deep into this. We're going to explore how to track your net worth effectively. We're going to make tracking your net worth super simple. No complicated spreadsheets or confusing software. And guess what? We're doing it all with completely free tools. Yes, you heard that right. Free. Because why pay for something when you can get it for free, right? It's all about being smart with your money. That's just smart money management. Let's get into it. Let's take control of our financial future. I'm excited to show you how easy this can be. No more excuses. Let's get started. So what exactly is this net worth thing? It's simple. It's just what you own minus what you owe. Think of it like this. Assets minus liabilities equals net worth. It's your personal balance sheet, a snapshot of your financial position. Now let's break down assets. Assets are all the good stuff. Your savings account balance, checking account balance, investments, car, and home are assets. Anything that puts money in your pocket or could be sold for cash. Then we have liabilities. Liabilities are your debts, everything you owe. Credit card balances, student loans, mortgages, and car loans are liabilities. The goal is to grow your assets and shrink your liabilities. When your assets are much bigger than your liabilities, your net worth goes up. More green on the asset side, less red on the liability side. That's progress. I love saving money. Spending on fancy software to track your money seems counterintuitive. Luckily, there are amazing free tools out there. First up, the classic spreadsheets. Tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel are fantastic and flexible. You can customize them exactly how you want. Then there are budgeting apps. Many free apps offer net worth tracking features. Apps like Mint or Personal Capital can link to your bank accounts and automate a lot of the work. Choose based on your style spreadsheets for control, apps for automation. Find what works for you. Let's get tracking, your step-by-step guide. This guide will help you understand your financial health and take control of your money. Step 1. List all your assets. Grab your chosen tool, like Google Sheets or a simple notebook. Create a column labeled Assets. List everything you own that has monetary value. This includes your checking account balance, savings account balance, investments, car, and home. Be thorough and find recent statements or reliable estimates. Accuracy is crucial for a clear financial picture. Step 2. List all your liabilities. Create another column labeled Liabilities. This will help you see what you owe. List all your debts. Include credit card balances, student loans, mortgage, car loans, and personal loans. Honesty is key for an accurate picture. Don't leave anything out. Step 3. Do the math. Add up the total value of all your assets. This will give you a clear idea of your financial worth. Then do the same for your liabilities. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets to find your net worth. That number is your current net worth. Write it down and put a date next to it. This is your baseline for future tracking. Step 4. Rinse and repeat, preferably monthly. Regular tracking helps you stay on top of your financial health and make informed decisions. Staying power, consistency, benefits, and your future. Consistency is the secret sauce. It's what turns small daily actions into significant long-term results. Set a reminder on your phone. This simple step ensures you never miss a financial check-in. Block out 30 minutes in your calendar. Make it a recurring event, just like a meeting with a client or a workout session. Treat it like a non-negotiable appointment with your financial future. Make it a ritual. This dedicated time is crucial for your financial health. Seeing that net worth number change over time is incredibly motivating. It's a tangible measure of your progress. When it goes up, it's a huge win. Celebrate these moments. They are milestones on your journey. Even if it dips, that's valuable information. It helps you understand market trends and your financial behavior. It gives you data to make better financial decisions. Use this data to adjust your strategies and improve. The long-term benefits of tracking your net worth are massive. It provides a clear picture of your financial health. It helps you set realistic financial goals. These goals become your roadmap to success. Understand the impact of your spending, saving, and investing habits. This awareness is key to making informed decisions. See if your investment strategy is working or needs tweaking. Regular reviews help you stay on track. It's crucial for planning things like early retirement. Knowing your net worth helps you prepare for the future. It's your roadmap to financial independence. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So what are you waiting for? Start today. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Knowing your net worth is empowering. It gives you control over your financial destiny. Remember to like and subscribe. You got this. Go get those numbers. Your financial future is in your hands.